In order to install our tap, we first need to ensure that the tap pitch matches our insert, which will be marked on the end that receives the tap. To begin, depress the sleeve around the tap holder, install our tap, and if it doesn't drop instantly, slightly rotate the tap until it does drop, then release the sleeve. The tap is now locked in the pitch assembly. In order to install the pitch assembly, we'll need to remove the tool stripper. Do that by slightly depressing the stripper and squeezing the retaining ring. Lift up, release the ring. If your retaining ring is still in the tool, it'll need to be removed now. Do that with a flat blade screwdriver by prying out and lifting up. Before we insert our pitch assembly, we need to ensure the accurate length, which is marked on the flange. The length can be increased or decreased by rotating the tab. Choose one of the notches in the pitch insert and align it with the pin in our lower assembly. Begin dropping the pitch assembly into our tool, and if it doesn't drop, slightly rotate the tap until it does. Ensure that the notch aligns with our pin, and reinstall our retaining ring. Begin with one end and work our way around. Finally, reinstall our stripper by aligning the notch in the stripper to the pump piston. Squeeze our retaining ring and drop the stripper on. Release the retaining ring and continue to press the stripper down until you hear it click.